This is the day that is the most stressful and the most fun at the same time. Vehicle day. We've got to make sure that everybody's safe. We're just getting a crash helmet for this student to make sure that she's comfortable and protected. And here we have the Dolly Hardline with Danny. Hi. No crash helmets needed, I think. Here we have the quad. And here we have the crane. And here we have the Organiser.